Namaste Yogis, hope you all are doing well. Again I'm back with a very interesting video which is concerned about the heat. In these days, as the temperature is going up, we all are having a lot of issues related with the heat. So my topic is how to make your body temperature down, how to cool your body, and which pranayama, which practice is essential in summer so your body temperature does not exceed over that limit. So if you are a sincere yogi, if you are a regular practitioner, please watch the video fully. You will get a lot of information with this practice. So I will start my video which is related with the practice, what we should practice every day in summer. So let me show you the posture. This posture you may practice. After that I will come on that breathing practice. What is that breathing practice which is very effective for the body temperature? So first, as you are a beginner or even you are an advanced practitioner, if you will start to practice your pranayama in this sequence, you will get a lot of relief. So the practice is, so as a beginner, you may try Sukhasana. So in Sukhasana, we simply cross the legs, and the reason is this posture gives your back that stability. This posture gives your lower body totally to be at one point, and after that you can maintain your back, means your back is straight. Number two, in this same position, it's also recommended if you put your leg underneath. So means both legs are on each other. It depends, you may check. As Swami Ramdev he mentions that all the postures, they depend on your physical equilibrium. So as you feel comfortable. The second practice is when you start to breathe, you make this gesture, Dhyan Mudra, in which your index fingers are touching with the thumbs. Number three, now the back is straight, your lower body is properly aligned. You start to breathe with your left nasal. So what you will do, you will close your right nostril, inhale through left, and you exhale through the right nasal. This same, you will inhale with your left nostril, exhale with right. Inhale with left, exhale with right. So this is the practice of Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. Chandra means the moon, moon piercing breathing practice. So now I will go in detail. Why are we keep practicing? Why are we keep hitting our left nasal? So the reason is, if we go with science, our left passage of the nasal is concerned with the right hemisphere of the brain. This is the science of practicing this pranayama. Now you will ask, why only left? Why not the right? As we will go in yogic textures, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it clearly mentions that our left nasal is called moon or the lunar energy. The right passage, it assembles the energy of the sun or the lunar. That's why as Yoga with Cassandra, she has a lot of information related with pranayama, with the postures. She mentions if you are continuously activating your left passage, means you can decrease your body temperature, and you may try. If you feel the working, if you find, yes, my body temperature is controlled, please put in comments if the working is there or not. So simply we need to remember, we inhale through the left and we exhale through the right. And now the question will be, how long should I practice? So for Chandra Bhedi Pranayama, to decrease the heat, to bring the body temperature down, you should practice it in 2 timings. One is during this sun rising. Before sun rising you have to practice it nearly 3 to 5 minutes. And not only body temperature, it will also help you in high BP. If you have high BP, try this pranayama. Your blood pressure will start to be balanced. It's concerned with the heart. If you have any heart ailments, try this Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. If you feel a lot of tiredness, you feel nervousness, you should practice Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. So it has a lot of benefits, especially in this summer. It is called this summer breathwork. So please practice it regularly. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please press the like button. If you are a newcomer on my channel, so please press the subscribe button so you always get notifications on time. So thank you so much for watching. Namaste.